Today for your phonics word study practice, you are going to play a bingo-like game. For this game, you are going to practice finding words that end in the consonant LE pattern like we just practiced. You will use these word tiles right here and the game board to place red X's to form a row horizontally, vertically, or any pattern that your teacher allows. Let's practice a few. On this word tile, we have TLE. We're going to use our game board to find a word that ends in TLE, such as shuttle. You will then drag a red X to the word and move your tile up to form a discard pile. You will continue until you find your pattern, BLE, such as humble. I will drag a red X and you will continue playing.